Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check your balance on Kraken application. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video if you will find this guide useful. So once you have logged into your Kraken app, it's pretty simple. You will see here the most popular cryptocurrencies here and your watch list. There's also explore button, as you can see, and there's also portfolio, which you want to click. And here on portfolio, you will see your balance in euros, Bitcoin, whatever you have bought. And you will see here all of your balances. And if you want to check your transactions, you can also go ahead and click view transactions. And here you will see them. So that's basically it. You will see here on your profile, on your portfolio. And if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.